In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Ionos subscription. Let's face it, there comes a time when we need to reassess our digital subscriptions, and sometimes that means saying goodbye to some services. If you've decided to cancel your subscription with Ionos, a leading web hosting and cloud services provider, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the process step by step, making it as smooth and hassle-free as possible. First, let's start by going to the Ionos website. You can find them easily by typing Ionos into your search engine, or directly entering their URL into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, the website's homepage will welcome you with various navigational options. At the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a Sign In option. Clicking here is your first step towards managing your account. It's straightforward and designed to guide you smoothly through the process. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be directed to a new page specifically for account holders. Here you're asked to enter your customer account details. Look for the customer account button to proceed. This part is crucial because it differentiates you from a casual browser and recognizes you as an Ionos account holder. Next, confirm your intention to sign in by clicking on the Sign In button presented to you. This action reaffirms your need to access your account details and move forward with managing your services. Now it's time to securely access your account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your Ionos account, the one you used during registration. Type it into the designated field carefully to avoid any typos that might hinder your access. Following your email entry, click on the Next button. This takes you closer to accessing your account. However, there's one more security step to ensure your account's safety. You will now be asked to enter your password. Remember, this is the password you set up for your account. It's a critical step for verifying your identity and protecting your account information. Type in your password with attention to detail, making sure that it's entered correctly. Once you've successfully entered your password, you'll click on Next again. This confirms your credentials, and if everything matches up, you'll gain access to your account overview, a dashboard of sorts that shows your current subscriptions, services, and other account details. Navigate to the My Account section from your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens concerning account management. You'll get an overview of your account's operational aspects here, including the services you're subscribed to. Now find and click on Contracts and Subscriptions. This will list all active contracts and subscriptions linked to your account, providing you with a clear view of what services you're currently paying for or have access to. Within this list, identify the subscription you wish to cancel. Each subscription will be clearly labelled, making it easy for you to find the one you're looking for. Once you've located your target subscription, click on it to view more details. Here comes the crucial part, cancelling your contract. Look for the Cancel Contract option. This action is a significant step as it initiates the process of discontinuing your service. Ionos might ask for confirmation or provide additional information regarding the cancellation process at this point. After clicking on Cancel Contract, you'll likely be taken to another page for one final confirmation. Cancel contract now. This is your last chance to reverse the decision. If you're certain about cancelling, clicking this will finalise the cancellation process. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the steps to cancel your Ionos subscription. Remember, it's always wise to review any confirmation emails or final statements from Ionos to ensure everything is settled as you expect. Subscriptions can often come with terms of service that include specifics about cancellation policies or refunds, so keeping an eye out for any final communications from Ionos is a good practice. Cancelling a subscription is never fun, but it's often a necessary step in managing your digital life. Whether you're simplifying your online services or moving in a new direction, knowing how to confidently manage your subscriptions puts you in control. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to navigate your digital world with ease. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.